What you got? Huh? Would you have a friend? Oh no. You got a friend? Are you trying to eat your friend? Are you trying to eat your friend? Why would you try to eat your friend? Did your friend do something to you? Is your friend delicious? Is your friend making you tired? Is your friend making you tired? Oh, friend. Oh, friend, so tasty. I want to put you all into my mouth. Oh, friend, you're delicious. Oh, friend. My friend the peacock. My friend the peacock. He makes interesting fashion choices. Like me. Eat that. Eat it. Uh-oh. You're losing control. Uh-oh. Now what are you gonna do? Uh-oh. Can you get it? Can you think about getting it? Huh? What do you think? What do you think? Can you get that? Do you think you can reach that? Maybe you could. Maybe you could reach it if you wanted to. Oh, he's back. Your friend the peacock is back. You gonna eat his nose? You're a crazy baby. You're made of crazy baby parts. Uh-oh. Now what? Now what? Hey. What if he came back? What if he came back, huh? What if he said, hey, no, I love you. I love you. Eat me all day. Uh-oh. Now what? Now what are you gonna do? You gonna cry? Okay, no cry. We'll get him back. We'll get him back. Come on. Let's me and you get him.